Loosen the spring by holding the flexible coupling. Twist the coupling completely off. Remove the spring. Mark the position of the different sections with a marker. Loosen the 4 bolts. Remove the rod from the cylinder. Use seal kit NT0683 for the overhaul. Check your specific instruction manual for correct seal kit, because the seal kit NT number may vary. Remove the lock nut on the rod. And replace the seal ring. Grease the new seal ring before replacing it. Replace the seal ring on the rod. Replace the gasket in the cylinder plate. Use a screwdriver and a rubber hammer. Change the gaskets on both sides of the cylinder. Lubricate the cylinder housing with grease. Put the rod and the cylinder back together. Use the position marks to align correctly. Tighten the 4 bolts. Replace the spring support. Put the spring back on the rod and fasten it to the flexible coupling.